Hey, Money Magnets, are you ready to get access to up to $500,000 SBA financing with Bank of America? Well, no worries, because we're going to show you how to get to the bag.
Look, we're going to go over 3 programs that Bank of America offers through the SBA. You guys got to check this out.
Let's take them over to the computer so we can show them how to get some of this financing.
Let's go, guys.
Okay, Marvin. Let's dive into some of these benefits that Bank of America have to offer, being that they are a preferred lender for the SBA.
Yeah, whether you're trying to buy equipment, a business, or a building, I love that Bank of America can take care of all of this through the SBA. They got a streamlined loan process to get you capital that you need. And then, if you want to actually build something, with a leasehold improvement, additions or expansions to your existing building, and ground up construction financing. And lastly, expansion. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, grow your operations with customized financing solutions that can help you achieve those goals. Now let's dig deeper into the programs.
Marvin, I absolutely love this. So if you're looking to scale your business, you need to stick around because we're going to dive a little deeper into what they actually have to offer. Okay, so Marvin, there was a time where the SBA was so hard to get.
And so slow.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And during the pandemic, they opened up. And once they opened it up, the rules have totally changed. Yep. Okay, so we have the SBA 504 loan program. Loans are available up to $400,000 and up. Can you imagine having $400,000 to jumpstart your business? And it has a flexible rate and terms, up to 25 years to fully pay the loan back, low down payments as little as 10%. And it can be used to finance equipment and build improvements, refinance, purchase owner occupied commercial real estate. Real estate is a game changer.
Yeah, this is a real estate loan. So if you're looking to improve your own place, build something, or purchase something, this 504 loan can help you do that. And look at the down payment, only 10%. If you look at most lenders, they're asking for 20% down, and you get a 25-year term. What I love about the SBA, you get the best terms and the longest amount of time to repay.
Okay, so all of my real estate tycoons out there, this right here is a cash flow changer for you. You're always calling, asking me and Marvin, how can I get money to, flip properties or to do real estate? This right here is the perfect loan to get you where you're trying to go without having to get a hard money loan.
Exactly. Let's jump into the SBA 7A loan program. Loans available from $200,000 up to $5 million. Fixed rate terms up to 25-year, fully amortized. Low down payments as little as 10%. It can be used to finance working capital, business acquisition, buyout, equipment, refinance existing debt and build, improve and purchase owner-occupied commercial real estate. So this is for businesses who have quite a few employees. You got a brick and mortar, you're ready to expand, or you're ready to buy something that you've been renting. This is great for that.
Most definitely, Marvin. What SBA is doing, they making it a lot better for us business owners to be able to scale our business, grow our business, become, get into real estate if that's what you want to do.
Right. They're
making it a lot easier and a lot faster.
And I think the banks since COVID have streamlined the process to make it less paperwork intensive. Well, I'm not going to say less paperwork intensive, but make it faster, so we can get the money to the businesses, so we can keep businesses expanding.
Most definitely. Okay, choo-choo. We talking about something fast. SBA Express Loan Program. Now, this one is a faster loan and easy, a little bit less complicated to get.
And I think most business owners' favorite program.
Okay, so loans are from $25,000 to $500,000.
Nice.
It has a fixed rate. 25 years.
Right.
It's a variable rate available for revolving period options, which is very cool, and can be used for finance, working capital, inventory, equipment, purchase, or finances of owner-occupied real estate. So you can use this for real estate as well, Marvin.
And that lets you know something about the SBA. They're friendly with real estate. And so also realize anything 25,000 and under, from what we've been seeing with some of our students, they're not asking for a lot of paperwork, but be prepared. We're talking about the SBA now. they're going to ask for paperwork.
Now that we showed you all of these amazing benefits that Bank of America has to offer with the SBA financing program, let's do a quick recap on what the requirements are.
Well, a lot of it is make sure you have your paperwork together. In the history of what I've dealt with the SBA, they're going to want documents. And the more money you want, the more they're going to ask. You know, things like your articles of incorporation, your operating agreement to show them who the owners are. Also, profit and loss, bank statements, pay stubs, tax returns. Have all this stuff in order if you have it.
And also keep in mind that long as you have a 660 credit score, you will qualify for this program, as well as they pull Experian.
Yeah, and sometimes depending on where you live, they may pull TransUnion, but be prepared, guys. Get those FICO scores up as high as you possibly can. And if you have trouble with your credit score, make sure you check out the link below that we have in the description. It's an AI program that'll help you fix your credit.
And that's what it's all about, fixing your credit, Marv, to fund your dreams. Okay, Marvin, I have a gym. We can't forget about Gloria's Gym. Now, with the SBA, you can close very quickly if you choose to do $25,000 or less. So that's something that you may want to keep in mind, just so that you can have that cash flow changer in your business.
And look, if anyone has any experience with the SBA and you want to share in the comments, make sure you comment below to help out the community and give feedback. If you don't need this video, make sure you share this with someone else. The number one reason why businesses fail is lack of capital. And speaking of capital, if you guys want to get another $250,000 through PayPal, check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.